In this video, we'll show you how to install YOLOv7 CPU mod on Windows. CPU mod is designed for computers or laptops that don't have an NVIDIA GPU. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can follow the tutorial in the next video. The first step is to create an environment. Press Windows and type Anaconda. Click on Anaconda Navigator. If it's already open, click Environments. Click Create to start creating environments. Then enter the environment's name. In this example, we name it YOLOv7 CPU env. In Python, select Python 3.10. Then click Create. Wait until the environment is finished. It will look like this when it is finished. Then open the Anaconda prompt. Press the Windows key, then type Anaconda. Click on Anaconda prompt. After that, activate the environment. Use the commands. Activate YOLOv7 CPU env. If it looks like this, it means that the environment is active. Then navigate to the directory where the YOLOv7 source code will be saved. In this example, it will be stored in the D directory. Use the command D, then press Enter. The next step is to clone the YOLOv7 repository. First, launch a browser. Then visit the following repository. The original repository has been forked into this repository. To clone, copy the repository link using. Click Code, then click the following button. If it has been copied, back again to the prompt, then execute the command git clone. Then paste the repository link, press Enter. Wait until the cloning process is finished. If it is completed, the clone results will be saved in the YOLOv7 folder. Change the name of the YOLOv7 folder to YOLOv7 CPU. Use commands. Run YOLOv7 CPU. Press Enter. This is the root directory of the YOLOv7 source code. Then navigate to the root folder of the YOLOv7 CPU using command cd YOLOv7 CPU. Press Enter. Next, install Python requirements using the command pip install -r requirements.txt. Press Enter. Wait until the installation is finished. If it looks like this, the installation is finished. To test the installation, we will perform object detection on the image. However, before we begin the detection, we must first download YOLOv7 weights. We launch the browser. Scroll down after that. Here are some examples of weights that can be used. We will download weights YOLOv7 in this example. Wait until the download is finished. When you're finished, go to the Downloads folder and open the file. Next, move the weights to the root folder of the YOLOv7 CPU. Click the weights file, then press Ctrl X. Paste in the root folder YOLOv7 CPU by pressing the Ctrl V button. YOLOv7 includes a number of sample images that can be used for detection. Sample image located in the Inference Images folder. In this example, we will detect objects on the imagebus.jpg. We return to the Anaconda prompt to perform the detection. Execute the command python detect.py --weights YOLOv7 --source inference images bus.jpg. Press Enter. Wait for the detection process to finish. When finished, the detection results will be saved in the folder listed below. To see it, we open Windows Explorer. Then go back to the root folder YOLOv7 CPU. Then navigate to the folder containing the detection results. The results of object detection using YOLOv7 are shown below. See you in the next video.